Alright, so this is my project submission for the Funding the Commons Public Goods Hackathon in August 2023. So in Flow Science, this is showing a Create Hypercert widget that I built leveraging the type schema created using everything.dev. And yes, this widget is coded in JSX. It's completely open source, can be forked very easily by visiting near.org and searching for create.hypercert or anything with hypercert in it. And so this form needs to be it's a form builder, it needs to be converted to a form. But basically, you can, all of these fields are put into, stored on chain as specific things, and they're of a specific type of field that was created with everything.dev. So each individual field, each individual record, each individual file format, and each individual file that is created using this are all individually addressable and permissible, and so they can all be composable between different implementations of impact certificates beyond Hypercerts if somebody does create one. So that is essentially the goal here of leveraging the BOS native implementation. So if we go ahead and publish one of those, it would be published as a file and stored on chain as JSON. And so we can see the different types that I created here and the file format.hypercert thing that was created using the file format type. So there's additional information over on the Notion for OpenCAN, which is my primary project and why I was building this for the marketplace with this file schema. So please check that out if you're interested in learning more and how this can also be used to run, use data to run composable jobs. So there's a full list of all the types and things and links to them and where they're stored on chain here in that Notion. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Take care.